What a beautiful sunny day in the garden!
Hello, explorers! Ready for a baking adventure? Let's go!
Look, it's the bouncy letter B!
B is for blueberry.
Where are the beautiful blueberries hiding? Found them! Blueberries! Pop, pop, pick the blueberries!
B is for big bowl. Let's mix the batter. Batter.
In go the blueberries! Scoop into the muffin tin!
Baking time in our garden oven.
Grow, muffins, grow!
Ta-da! Beautiful blueberry muffins! Here are some beautiful muffins.
They look so beautiful! B is for big bite! Blueberry muffin! Blueberry muffin! B is for blueberry. B is for muffin. B. Thanks for baking. Subscribe for more letter yummy fun.